And we're getting some more breaking news coming in on this big story. New links emerging in the 2G scam probe. In fact, proof of more alleged payoffs that are emerging in this scam. Let's go across to Poonam Agarwal. She's joining us with that report from CBI sources. Poonam.
Well, as far as the 2G spectrum investigation is concerned, the area is really widening. In fact, what we have gathered from the sources in CBI, that Shiva Group is the same company who actually invested 50 crore rupees in the company Caligna TV, the same company which has already been charge sheeted by the CBI in the current 2G spectrum scam. In fact, the sources in CBI is saying that this particular investment was done by Shiva Group, a group which is a company which is based in Seychelles. This particular company, Shiva Group, made the investment in 2007. That is just before the 2G spectrum licenses were allocated. So this is what we are gathering from the sources. In fact, Shiv Shankaran, who is the owner of Shiva Group, has already been summoned by CBI. In fact, what they are saying that he is currently the owner of Estel company, which apparently got the 2G license and is already in the radar of CBI investigation. He has already been summoned for being an owner of Estel, and he is likely to appear in front of the CBI officers next week. Certainly, the ambit of 2G spectrum is widening. Shiva Group is again surfacing in for the reasons of making investment in Caligna TV, to which DMK party is associated, and also the same company to which Shahid Balwar's group DB Realty sent the kickback money from DB Realty to it went to Kusegaon Food and Village, then to Sinayug, and finally the money flowed to Caligna TV. So certainly the ambit of investigation is now getting connected because of Shiva Group. It is the same company which owned Aircel Group. In fact, Shiva Shankaran, who was the owner of Shiva Group initially, later on it was sold off to Maxis company. In fact, the same person is now the owner of Estel. What sources in CBI is also saying that Estel was bought over by Shiva Shankaran in 2009. But before that, the funding was done by Shiva Shankaran in this particular company, Estel. So now certainly Shiva Shankaran will be in trouble not only for Estel, but of course for Aircel, which the company which he owned, and he is likely to depose in front of the CBI very soon.